Welcome back. Today my kids in my class are gonna share their favorite sounds. Enjoy.
Hey, this is Bobby and this is my favorite sound. Hello, I am Dick, and this is my favorite sound.
He got expelled for making long songs in these videos, but this is his favorite sound.
Hello, this is Billow, and this is my favorite sound.
Heyo people, this is my favorite sound.
Hello! This is Haroon and this is my favorite sound.
Hey Haroon, you can't play that sound in this educational video.
Oh no! Nothing is wrong with that sound, it is 100% not violent sound, teacher.
Everything is wrong with that sound. You will get someone hurt. That's it. I will email your parents about this, and I will suspend it for 3 weeks.
I'm sorry, please don't email my parents about this, they will give me an owl spanking.
I don't care, I will do it anyways.
No. Don't be Haroon.